Welcome to ABC Smart Kids.
A is for apple, a shiny red juicy apple. B is for ball, a colorful ball that bounces high. C is for cat, a cute fluffy cat that says meow. D is for dog, a friendly dog wagging its tail. King of the jungle with a loud roar. M is for monkey, a da, playful monkey swinging on trees. N is for nested, da, a warm nest for little birds. O is for orange, around sweet and tangy fruits. P is for parrot, da, the green parrot that talks. Q is for queen, a queen wearing a golden crown. R is for rabbit, a white rabbit with long ears. S is for sun, to show the bright sun shining in the sky. T is for tree, a tall tree with green leaves. U is for umbrella, to keep you dry in the rain. V is for van, a big van that carries people and things. W is for watch, and a watch that tells the time. X is for son und dawn, a colorful musical instrument now. Yay! You've learned A to Z with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can have more fun learning together. See you next time.